This is a Chicco Fit2 in a Lexus RX350. We're installing it in the infant position, stage 1. The recline indicator shows that it's in correct recline. It's installed in the center seating position, so therefore it's installed with the seat belt instead of the lower anchors, because the lower anchors are not available in the center the way that they are on the outboard positions. Fits really well into this vehicle. Check the car seat for tightness at the belt path, side to side, front to back. It is permitted to move up to 1 inch, but it is pretty solid. Does not move at all. We do not check for movement in the front, only at the belt path. Firm handshake, and it does not have to rock the car, but in this case it does. The seat itself will snap right in. Kind of need 2 hands to do it. Okay, it snaps right in, and that's all. And then to snap it out, it's this button in the back. So you're squeezing this button and you're lifting it up. And of course you need 2 hands because you're going to hold the handle while you're lifting it up and out. Okay.